Welcome to the presentation of Grocery Lens, your AI-powered grocery shopping assistant. The goal of this project is to build a smart assistant that enables everyone to get insights about grocery products based on data such as their names, photos, barcodes, prices, locations, and dates. Users can also provide image input to the assistant. This is particularly useful for market research, supply chain monitoring, and consumer price tracking. Users can ask questions such as, what was the average price of a 1 kilogram pack of pasta in France in December 2024? Where was this product sold? They can also upload an image, for example, a Milka chocolate bar, instead of typing the product name, making the system accessible even when the exact product details are unknown. As mentioned, there are two ways to use the application. First, you can ask questions without uploading any attachment. In the following example, I asked the assistant, how many types of chocolate are there in Paris? The assistant queries its database and provides a clear answer. It found 17 different types of chocolate in Paris, and it attaches the list. Second, you can ask a question and provide an image. Second question, what are the prices of this product? The photo attached displays this. The assistant replies, based on the provided entry, the price of Kit Kat Mini Mix in Lyon, France on January 3rd, 2025 was €5.39. And here is the last question. Where is this product sold? I attach an image to my request. The assistant replies with the product name detected from the image, along with the location where it is sold and the corresponding date. The product is called Nougatier and was sold at Extra Bergen Store Center in Bergen, Norway, on January 24th, 2025, according to one entry. So, how does this system actually work? Let's break it down in simple terms. It all starts with your question. What was the average price of bananas in Paris last month? The system reads your question, breaks it down, and searches through a food price database using something called FNAISS, a fast tool that finds relevant info quickly. It then takes the most relevant results and sends them to a Gemini model, along with a few example cases. The LLM processes everything and generates a clean, structured version of your question and the matching data, all wrapped neatly in a format called JSON. The JSON is used to filter the dataset and pull out the exact info you need. Now, if you want to help the system understand the product better, or if you can't name it in your question, you can also upload a photo. The system uses a smart model called CLIP to convert your image into something it can compare with known product photos. It finds the most visually similar items, for example, bananas, and uses that as extra context alongside your typed question. So whether you just type your question or add a photo for extra clarity, the system pulls up clean, structured, and relevant results from the dataset. Now comes the easy part. The system takes that structured data and turns it into a friendly, natural answer. The average price of bananas in Paris in October 2023 was €1.66. One simple question in, and out comes a clear, grounded answer. That's how the system works. That brings us to the end of the presentation. You can find the Kaggle link to the project in the video description. To use it, simply follow the instructions provided in the notebook. Thank you for your attention.